All right, let's get into it. This is the JC Wings Qantas WUNALA Dreaming. WUNALA Dreaming? This is the artist's name. Balarinhi. There's the registration. Victor Hotel. Oscar Juliet Bravo. It's a 747-400. There's the clip art. This is the flaps model. Flaps down. I got a good deal on it, so... Well, I thought it was a good deal. I don't know. Maybe it wasn't. Yeah. There's the stats, the overall length. 4 Rolls-Royce engines. 70 meters long. 64 meters wide, the width, the wingspan. All right, let's get into it. This is what the box looks like. It's nothing special. Whoa. I'll show you what the box looks like. It's protected pretty well with this. They even put some bubble wrap on the tail to prevent it from getting crushed. Comes with these landing gear covers for the in-flight. It's even got the painted like the scheme. The good artwork on the covers. But look, it's a good thing they put that bubble wrap on, because look what the tail did to that box. All right, let's pick her up. Got a little weight to her. There she is. It looks like it's got a circle around its eye in the wind. This model's got really some nice colors. Some kangaroos hopping around. I think it's called Aboriginal art. I'm not sure. Color looks really good to me. That's where the moves, the vertical stabilizer. It's got the, whoa, focus. Whoa. Juliet Bravo, it's got the tail number. Really nice 747. Feels like good quality. I like the JC wings. I love the landing gear is quality. It's not plastic. I mean, it is plastic, but I mean, it's not junk. I mean, look at that. Even got a headlight. Magnet sucks it in. Look at those engines, guys. The engines are so nice. WUNALA Dreaming, it says. I don't know if it'll focus good enough. It's WUNALA Dreaming. Can't really read it, but it's because of my cheap iPhone camera. That 747 look. That doesn't get old, does it? It's even got some artwork here. Focus. Doesn't seem to want to focus, but there you go. See the fan blades. I wanted to show you the undercarriage. Under the fuselage. Got a lot of landing gear. 4 bogies. The main gear. And focus. And I put it back in. It's not really tail heavy, it's just sitting on my bed. My bed's not level. Got a little bitty antenna right here. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, it's so small. It's probably too small, actually. Freaking t-shirt in the way, sorry. Might be my thumbnail right there. Oh good, you can read it now. WUNALA Dreaming. Really colorful plane. I love the colors. One of the reasons I bought it, because I'm not a Qantas fan. I don't never been to Australia. I don't really have any plans to go to Australia, but I like the colors. I'm not a huge fan about the tail, but here's some of my other planes. I got the Condor A330 Neo. And behind that one I got a 777-200 Spirit of Atlanta. Here's some other models I got on display right now. The UPS in the back's a 757. The UPS in the front is a Boeing 767. This is one of my favorite planes here. 757-300 flying pencil. There's a little ERJ 145, I believe. Yeah. And the Silver Airlines is a ATR 42. And of course that's a -8 Q400 Iceland Air. Remember, smash the thumbs up button for me, subscribe if you haven't, all that good stuff. Oh, this is the flaps down model. I forgot to show the flaps. I'm not a real fan of flaps down models, but like I said, I got a good deal on this one on eBay. I think I bought it on eBay. I don't even remember. had it a while. I thought I made a video of this one. I thought I showed this on YouTube already, but apparently I didn't. Alright, see you all in the next video. Peace out.